Oh, we got us a shake now. Uh-oh. Take it down here. It's safer. That wind's not so bad. Oh, I gotta fix the shake. It's terrible. Just like Chase in the simulator. Taking the cat for a walk here. Squirrely. Bit squirrely. Look at that tail shake. What has happened to my tail? Alright, a little more forward. I can walk happily. Get her back. Get her back up here. Alright, left turn. Ah! Nuts. I had it. It was perfect. I had it.